here the CONFU hair dryer. This is 125 volts, really high powered. Just want to show you what it comes with here. We have the bag itself that the hair dryer comes in. So it's really compactable, really good for traveling because, ta-da, you can do this with it. And so it makes, you can put it into small suitcases or again, small bags, and it fits really nicely in there. It also comes with, I'll tell you more about the hair dryer in a minute, but it does come with, of course, the owner's manual, but a free comb, a free hairbrush you can keep in your purse. It also comes with some clips that you can tie the cord up with. Since it is a little bit long, you can clip that together so that the cord will stay together. About the hair dryer itself, it has 3 different speeds. There's one, the first one is cool air, but it blows really powerful. The second speed is warm or hot air, but it doesn't blow quite as powerful. And then the third option, it's hot air, very powerful. I'll show you what this looks like with my hair here. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this, got it plugged in. I've moved it up. Really loud, really powerful hair dryer. It's gonna work really well. The next option is hot, but doesn't blow quite as hard. The third option, really powerful and really hot air. Now, I've had a lot of hair dryers, and this one is really, really hot. So really high temperatures. But that is the CONFU Fashion Style hair dryer.